Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing out there? This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, coming to bring you a brand new video today to help you make more money while driving Uber and Lyft. Guys, it is a beautiful, beautiful sunny morning out there, even though it is a balmy temperature of 44 degrees, guys. And it's been a great morning, finished making money and I am headed home, guys. And so I want to give you this quick video. This is a very necessary video for not only if you are a new driver to Uber and Lyft, even if you are a seasoned driver to Uber and Lyft, guys. In every city, especially if it is a college town, if you want to make money and not waste your time, you should avoid this area by all costs, guys. And I call this area the land of little Ubers and little Lyfts. What do I mean by that? I am talking about your downtown algorithm band, because it is it's in an algorithm band. All these areas are algorithm bands. I'm talking about downtown, especially in an area where there's a college and it's downtown. You are in for a complete nightmare, guys. And the reason why I say this is because, contrary to popular belief, people think, ooh, yeah, dealing with college students is great. You'll make a lot of money. No, you don't, because they don't go anywhere. And you're picking up, dropping off, picking up, dropping off, and you're not making any money. So there's somebody right now watching this video saying, so Desmond, what the heck are you talking about? Okay, let me break it down in a mathematical term, because we get paid by driving miles and the little 11 cents per minute that we have the person to call. Different cities have different rates. In my city, which is Columbia, South Carolina, it is 75 cents per mile. And downtown in my city, there is the University of South Carolina, and it's kind of all over the city. And so the students live all over downtown Columbia. And I avoid this place at all costs, because you will not make money. And let me explain to you why. Okay, so you get a request downtown to pick somebody up. That person's, let's say 2 miles away. Well, it takes you 10 minutes to get to where that person is because of your traffic lights and everything else, and then you might just have traffic down there. So it takes you 10 minutes to go pick this person up. You get there to pick that person up, then you have to, if they're not standing outside, you may have to wait the whole 5 minutes of the waiting time before they waltz out the door to get into your vehicle. Now, you get them in your vehicle, doesn't matter whether you're doing Uber or Lyft. You go ahead and you slide to the right, and then you realize they're not going a damn place. They're not going anywhere. They're going maybe a mile on the road, an eighth of a mile on the road, a quarter of a mile on the road. Let's say, for instance, you get lucky and lo and behold, they go 3.4 miles, or something like that. All right, if they're going less than a mile on the road, when you go to pick that person up and you drop them off after having to wait through traffic and stoplights and everything else, and you drop that person off, at this point you're probably 20 to 30 minutes into this trip. And when they exit your vehicle and you slide to the right to end the trip, you get a whopping $2.25. Woohoo! What the hell is that? It's no money, guys. It really is. Let's say, for instance, they're going 3 miles on the road. You pick them up, you take them, you drop them off, you still got about 20 minutes, 30 minutes invested into this trip. When they get out of your vehicle and you slide to the right, you have a whopping commission of $3.15. Is it worth it? Heck no. And literally, you can spend an hour doing 2 of these trips and not even make $10 an hour. What the heck is that, guys? There is no money. That's why I avoid the land of little Ubers and little Lyfts. even if I get a trip that brings me into the land of little Ubers and little Lyfts, I am immediately trying to get out of there, because you will get trips requests back to back to back to back to back to back. And yes, you're getting a high quantity of trips, but it's a horrible quality of trip, because they're not going anywhere, and you invest so much of your time into picking this person up and dropping them off, guys. And as you know, in this business, time is money. If you don't have a person in the vehicle that's actually traveling a distance, you're not making any money, but you're giving up a whole bunch of times, guys. That's why downtown areas, especially ones that have college campuses mixed in it with a lot of college students, is a complete nightmare, guys, and you should avoid them at all costs, guys, because it is not financially advantageous to you guys. Let the newbies go out there and get it. I hate to say this, but that's what the newbies gravitate to. Ooh, the college students, yeah, we'll make money. Da, 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 da. So they go down there. Now, the only time when working in the land of little Ubers and little Lyfts is beneficial to you is, like, say for instance, there's a huge event going on, and this actually doesn't work out for Lyft, because I've never seen this. Maybe in other major cities it does, but here in my city it doesn't. But on Uber, they will offer you, they will have a promotion. You take 51 trips and we're gonna pay you an extra $90. Now, the land of little Ubers and little Lyfts, they work great in that instance. Why? Because you can pad the numbers of your trips to secure the bonus from Uber in the land of little Ubers. Especially if it's over a weekend, because in the weekend, the traffic is not heavy in the land of little Ubers. So you're picking up and dropping off, picking up and dropping off, and the trips are moving pretty fast. You can probably get about 5 of those done an hour. Yeah, they don't yield a lot of money, you know, but they will help you pad your trip. So somebody saying right now, well, Desmond, what do you mean? You just said going to the land of Ubers, little land of Ubers and Lyfts doesn't make you any money. No, guys, you make your, like me, I make my money that I normally want to make on a daily basis if I'm in one of those promotions, before I decide to succumb and go into the land of little Ubers and Lyfts to pad my trips, guys. Think, you got to make your money. So that's what I do, guys. It's really simple, guys. But I'm telling you, if you want to spend a whole lot of time and make a whole little bit of a little bit of money, go into your downtown areas, especially around a college campus, and you start picking up people, and it is going a mile on the road, and you're dropping off, picking up, dropping off, picking up, and you're not making any money. Hence is why I called it the land of little Lyfts and little Ubers, guys. So if you want to avoid that, you get in there, you get out as soon as possible, because the only time you're going to really make money down there is unless it's a major event. That's it. And the other time, you're not making any money unless you are padding your trips to get the bonus for the quest bonus. That's what they call it on Uber. So guys, I hope this video is beneficial to you guys today, and if it does make sense to you, and hopefully if you use the logic what I just gave you behind it and understand the math behind it, it will help you realize that you need to avoid those areas so you can actually make money while you're out here driving. Because like I said, time is money. I don't put a whole bunch of time into doing Uber and Lyft, but I do want to maximize my profits when I'm out there, guys. So if this video makes sense to you, make sure that you give me a thumbs up on this video. Also, subscribe to my channel, guys, and once you have subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click on the bell in the bottom right corner of this video so that you can get email inbox notifications every time I put out new content, guys, because you got to get this knowledge if you want to put more money in your wallet. Also, guys, if you are currently a Uber or Lyft driver and you sign up directly with the corporate office and we're not able to take advantage of the bonus that you get when you sign up with another driver, all you have to do is go to the description below this video, click on the links, sign up with the information that you use to currently drive with, and you may be able to get your bonus retroactively paid to you, guys. Also, if you are if you are a new person looking to drive Uber and Lyft, go to the same links below in the description in the description section Get signed up. Get signed up. Get started driving. And after you make money and take so many trips, Uber and Lyft will give you more money and a bonus just for making money anyway, guys. It's not that complicated. Sign up, drive, make more money, do enough trips, you get more money, guys. Anyhow, guys, that's it. Desmond, the rideshare whisperer. I'm out. Peace. And bye-bye for now. And oh yeah, get your money.